Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting unboxing and review for you. Feast your eyes on the Yoton 64GB MP3 player with Bluetooth. Let's dive right into the unboxing. Here are some of the key features of the Yoton 64GB MP3 player. As we open the box, we're greeted with a sleek and compact design that immediately catches our attention. Inside, we find the user manual, a pair of earphones. This can use as earphone, or as FM radio antenna. A USB cable. And last, Yoton MP3 player, carefully nestled and ready to be explored. The player is made of durable plastic and has a sleek, modern design. A music player that is packed with features to elevate your audio experience to new heights. The Yoton 64GB MP3 player is a portable music player that comes with a 64GB microSD card pre-installed. The player also has 16GB of built-in storage, so you can store up to 80GB of music on the device. The Yoton MP3 player supports MP3, WMA, OGG, APE, FLAC, WAV, AACLC, and M4A music formats. It also has a built-in FM radio, voice recorder, ebook reader, pedometer, and stopwatch. The player has a 1.4-inch LCD screen and but not a built-in speaker. It can be charged via a USB cable. The Yoton MP3 player is Bluetooth enabled, allowing you to wirelessly connect it to your favorite Bluetooth headphones or speakers for a tangle-free audio experience. And here's a handy feature, the built-in voice recorder. Capture your thoughts, ideas, or even interviews with ease using this convenient function. Navigating through the Yoton MP3 player's user interface is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive design. These are all menu options you can find on this device. For FM radio, you must have wired earphones plugged into the MP3 player, otherwise we can't get good result. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Yoton 64GB MP3 player. Pros: affordable, versatile, large storage capacity, built-in features, portable. Cons: the screen is small, the sound quality is not the best, the battery life is not the best. Overall, the Yoton 64GB MP3 player is a good value for the price. It is a versatile music player with a variety of features. However, the screen is small and the sound quality is not the best. The battery life is also not the best. And that wraps up our unboxing and review of the Yoton 64GB MP3 player with Bluetooth. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.